Hello, good day. My name is Agidi Johnson, your business studies teacher. This is for GSS3. In our last period, we looked at types and parts of the typewriter and some important keys on the typewriter's keyboard and also on the computer keyboard. But today we're going further by looking at parts of the typewriter. And look at our objective here. We are looking at critically explain the following major parts of the typewriter: plate, the cylinder knob, the line, space regulator. Also, we're looking at the printer's point. And we'll go down by looking at the paper bill scale. Let's look at it from the beginning again. Look at the plate. The plate is where the A4 lies on, while the cylinder knob is the round aspect of the typewriter that moves the A4 up and down, or in and out from where it's going to be printed. Looking at also the space, line space regulator, that is what we use for the font and also for the size of the writing or for the typing when you type on the typewriter. We go down to number 4, printer's point. That is where the printer point hits on. While you are typing, it hits on it. When you strike on the typewriter, the point hits on it. And now what we call the printer or the printing point. The paper bay scale is a scale on the typewriter that shows, one, the scale you want to type, or the particular point you want to type. And when you look at the typewriter you have at home, or you look at it when we are giving you on your Google Doc, you see there's a scale there on where the typing will start from and where it ought to stop. Don't forget, I've given you class starts and also starter activity. Also, we're going to look at differentiate between plate cylinder knob and cylinder knob, and also what? Your printing point. I wish you good luck, and I pray that even as you do them, kindly submit on time, do your work on time. I'll be very happy if you answer it on this document. Answer your work on this document. Very, very important. It makes it easy for me to mark and to give you feedback. Have a nice time. God bless you. Remain blessed.